Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can deposit check on your Cash App account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, you need to ensure that your check meets all the requirements. Make sure to double check all of the information you have provided, and once you've done that, you need to launch to your Cash App account. Once you're logged into your Cash App account, you'll be directed to the home page, and on this page you need to tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. As you tap on it, next page you need to scroll down, and then you'll have multiple options. So among the list you need to tap on checks. Be directed to a page where you need to enter the amount, and make sure to enter the exact amount that is on your check. And once you're done entering the amount, and tap on confirm amount. So in order to deposit a check on this page, you need to take a picture of your check. So first of all, you need to click the picture of the front page, and after that you need to click the picture of back side of the check. And once you've clicked it properly, you need to tap on confirm back of the check, which is right at the bottom. And after that there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it. Make sure to check whether the picture are clear or not, and once you're done, tap on submit, which is right at the bottom. And once again you need to review all of the information provided, and after that you'll be notified that you've deposited a check to your Cash App account. So that is how you can deposit check on your Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.